Alright, so in this tutorial I'm gonna show you how you can fix app keeps on crashing on iPhone. So it's actually very simple and easy on how you can fix it. First up, what you can do is just simply restart your device. That's literally the simplest option. You can just restart your phone by just pressing on the power button or just going to your general settings and just pressing on shutdown and turn it back on, and check it again. If it's still not fixed, just simply go to your settings and then general, and make sure you go to software update and make sure that your iPhone is up to date and the software is actually up to date. Check for all the updates that it needs and update your device. But if it's a specific app, you can just go to iPhone storage right over here in the same general settings, and then find the app that's crashing. For, let's say for me, it's YouTube, and if it's crashing, just simply press on offload app and reinstall it and then check it again, and it's just gonna fix. So yeah, this is it for this tutorial. I hope it actually helped you out. I'll see you soon next one.